Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Sometimes we may accidentally delete photo files from our SD card. However, this deletion is permanent. Today, let's explore how to recover these photos. First, you can check your file history to see if it leaves a backup. Open the Windows settings and search for file history. Follow my step. Click Restore Personal File. However, you need to be aware that you need to make a backup in advance for file history to work. Remember to check the cloud backup if you've backed up your photos to cloud service. If these ways can't find your photos back, you can use a powerful repair software to help you. 4DDiG is designed to help you recover lost or deleted files from various storage devices. Let's download it. Next, launch 4DDiG. Hit SD card. Select photo and hit scan. Once the scan is complete, select the ones you want to recover. And now you have your photos back. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.